Hello everybody, this is Raging with Ron. This is part 1 from Chain Repaired from Broken Chain. And part 1 of the event at Carpenter's Bypass this weekend. And shout out to Ethan at Lifecycle and everybody at Lifecycle. Thank you. They came out to fix my chain during the event and at Carpenter's Bypass, because I broke it the day before the event. And there was some pretty fun stuff. We hit a lot of trails, and yeah, happens next year again. So please like and subscribe for part 2.
You look familiar. My name's Leslie.
Hi, Sarah.
Sarah, nice to meet you. This is my son, Rowan.
Hi, Rowan.
Hello.
And her son?
Yeah, my son, Evan.
Evan is out
just got himself an e-bike to try out.
Oh, fun.
Oh.
Why don't you go get a cookie or something? I saw Coach Dennis earlier. I said
Me too.
Okay,
I said
cool. Yeah, there's a bunch of kids your age here from the team.
Yeah, they're so nice.
I mean, you could maybe ride with them, Ro.
Yeah.
See, they're over here.
Can I set my bike in front of you?
Yeah, there's a bunch of people are putting
They're
yeah, this is
super nice, Ro. You should just ask if you want.
Yeah, like they were kids someone
They
about
love
your
having like new friends.
There's like a group of boys over there.
Cool. Can you hold on to these?
And maybe you get some gals. I don't know. Sweet. Look at that guy.
I didn't know. I forgot there's e-bikes.
Yeah, go check it. There's cookies and all kinds of
Did you get the tickets?
Yeah, I got 6.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I am feeling so much better.
Rowan,
Hi.
this is Evan.
Hi, Evan.
He's on the
Racing team.
Yeah. Anyways, Rowan, this was
We're new to mountain bike riding. And so, and we came up here. We live in the area, so we were up here all the time. And we know Coach Dennis and
Mick
he said to find some of you guys. Maybe you guys could ride together today.
Yeah. Yeah. Think maybe Rowan could go with you guys?
I might go.
Once we get our regular bikes back.
Okay, cool.
I might go find. Hey, where can you find the test ride the electrics?
Over at Paul's Bicycle, but they don't have any right now.
Okay.
You can go talk to them, though. Yeah, go get cookies. Yeah, go sign up.
You have to have an adult, though. But there's none that are, they're all signed out.
Okay.
Did you get your pedals on there, bro? Yeah. Okay.
Fun.
All right.
Oh, yeah, clip pedals.
Yeah, we'll sign the waivers and see if we can get a chance to do that today. But yeah, maybe go grab a cookie or something. Or what could you do? Have you eaten anything today?
No, I haven't had time.
They got like bread, and you can just grab it.
Yeah, so go check it out. Roger.
All right.